Now that you're done listening to the life of a sea turtle, you're probably an expert. Let's see if you can share some of the things you learned. Today you get to fill out my animal report. A report is where you tell others all about something. And today you're going to tell about the sea turtle. To get started, you will need this paper. Pause the video until you have your paper. Welcome back. Let's get started. My name is... Write your name on the line. Great job. My animal is a... Here you're going to trace the word turtle. Okay, now that you've traced turtle, let's share what you learned in your research when you were listening to the book today. My research, what they look like. In this box, you get to draw what sea turtles look like. What they eat. In this box, draw a picture of what sea turtles eat. Where they live. Draw a picture of where the sea turtle lives. Pause the video and fill in your 3 boxes. Okay, welcome back, sea turtle experts. Now you're going to share 3 facts I learned. So here, let's look at number 1. It says turtles are... With your pencil, you can trace Turtles, are, and tell us what you want about them. Turtles are what? What did you learn about in the book? Maybe you could say turtles are smart. Turtles are swimmers. Think about something you learned in the book. Don't forget to add your period at the end. Now you're going to trace this, number 2, with your pencil. Turtles eat. Use Stretchy Snake to write what turtles eat. And number 3, turtles live. Where is their habitat? Finish the sentence. Turtles live. You have all this space and down here, and don't forget to add your period at the end. When you are done, boys and girls, I want you to come up here and color in your sea turtle. Have fun with your animal report.